And moving to our coronavirus coverage now, as cases keep climbing, one Emporia woman is making a plea to her neighbors to take this disease seriously.
She says even if she never gets the virus, the impact it's having could cost her her life. KSNT News reporter Hannah Brandt joins us live to tell us how. Hannah.
Yeah, Brooke, Molly, the experts here at the Kansas Department of Health and Environment have given a lot of guidance on ways to prevent the spread of the virus by doing things like wearing masks when you're around others and social distancing. But not everyone is listening to that advice. And it's attitudes like that that one Emporia woman tells me may prevent her from getting the life-saving treatment that she needs to fight cancer.
Breast cancer survivor Sue Klarich has a sense of humor when it comes to her health.
I would like to live long, if possible, and that wasn't looking too good.
But it was no laughing matter when she was diagnosed with cancer again after already beating it once. This time the cancer she has is a different, rare form of cancer that hides in soft tissue, making it harder to treat. Not one to give up, Sue dyed her hair purple just for fun and got ready to fight cancer again. She was lucky enough to get into a clinical trial at MD Anderson in Houston, which was able to shrink her tumor in half.
I bought myself, or they provided for me, a whole extra year of life, which was amazing.
Then it started to grow back. Right about the same time, the pandemic hit.
I couldn't get in for a biopsy because elective surgeries were suspended at MD Anderson. And so I came home and I thought, wow, I feel like I'm just growing a tumor here.
With coronavirus cases still climbing and overwhelming hospitals, including the one Sue was going to in Texas, she's left to sit and wait.
A lot of people think this has been blown out of proportion. Well, it's not for me. It's very real. That part is frustrating because I would like my neighbors to not be so willing to let me die.
She says it's nobody's fault she got cancer, but everyone can help her beat it by taking simple precautions like wearing a mask.
You can be a patriot who has the right to not wear a mask, but put a mask on because we're uniting to defeat this disease and to help our neighbors. And you're uniting, and you may never know what you've avoided in getting sick yourself, but you really probably will never know whose life you saved.
Because saving her life means more time to do the things she loves, like spending time with her kids and playing the flute.
I would like to die trying, and I can't right now, and I find that frustrating.
Sue says it's really important to remember that even though someone might look perfectly healthy to you, there are a lot of people out there like her, and it's impossible to know their exact situation and how this pandemic is impacting them.